Bruxism is a condition in which the patient clenches or grinds their teeth unconsciously. This can occur in children, teens, or adults. It can occur during the day or during sleeping hours due to different causes, although the most common is stress. Constantly clenching your teeth has consequences on your overall health since, in addition to wearing down the teeth, it can cause muscular pain, headache, and even jaw pain. In daytime bruxism, the patient is constantly clenching teeth while awake, usually due to psychological causes such as stress, anxiety, or negative social interactions. On the other hand, grinding teeth in sleep is usually caused by neuromotor alterations that cause involuntary muscle movement. In most cases, those who suffer from sleep bruxism also suffer from other sleep disturbances such as snoring or sleep apnea. When it comes to teeth grinding in children, it is more common than you think, and it is normal to a certain extent. Pediatric bruxism usually appears after the age of 6 and disappears on its own during teenage years. Teeth grinding on kids can stimulate the eruption of permanent teeth and the growth of facial bones and muscles, which is why it usually appears when the child begins to lose their baby teeth. This habit should start to decrease as the permanent teeth start to come in and should eventually disappear altogether. If the habit persists or occurs in children under 6 years of age, it may be due to other causes not related to development, such as stress, anxiety, sleep apnea, or neuromuscular disorders. As in adults, bruxism in children has consequences for the general health of the child, like tooth pain. Therefore, teeth grinding treatment is necessary since not stopping bruxism can affect the normal growth of maxillofacial structures. The person in charge of diagnosing and treating pediatric teeth grinding is the pediatric dentist. So if your child is clenching teeth at night, we suggest taking them to the pediatric dentist to make sure it is a natural stage of development. For many years, we have been told that there is a correlation between teeth grinding and intestinal parasitism. Yet, there is no scientifically proven correlation between these two. Countless studies have been carried out that have found no connection. Still, some researchers hold the theory that certain types of parasites produce nervous system alterations, and by extension, could produce neuromotor alterations such as bruxism. However, this has never been proven, and the belief that teeth grinding in children is a symptom of parasitosis is just a myth. The situation is different for sleep apnea. There is a clearly established correlation between bruxism and sleep apnea. Sleep apnea represents a risk factor for bruxism since a stop in breathing can trigger episodes of grinding teeth in sleep. But it also works backwards since severe sleep bruxism can cause muscular tension that could worsen sleep apnea episodes. If that's the case, it will be necessary to provide treatment for both conditions in order to achieve a real improvement. The hallmark symptom of bruxism is the sound of grinding your teeth, but there are many other symptoms that people overlook, thinking these are not related to bruxism. These symptoms are pain in the jaw, the face, the neck, the shoulders, headaches, difficulty opening and closing the mouth due to muscle stiffness, tooth sensitivity, tooth pain, fractured teeth and fillings, flattened teeth, wounds on the inner face of the cheeks due to involuntary movement, and difficulty resting properly during sleeping hours. Teeth grinding has a multifactorial origin, which means that there are many causes, and in some cases there may even be several causes simultaneously. But in general, bruxism originates from emotional causes in both adults and children. Among the emotional causes of bruxism are prolonged states of anxiety and stress that often trigger episodes of bruxism that can range from mild to severe, depending on the intensity of the psychological and emotional discomfort. Fortunately, by reducing anxiety and stress, bruxism begins to decline rapidly. Other causes of bruxism are neuromotor alterations, sleep disorders such as apnea, excessive consumption of substances such as caffeine and alcohol, smoking, drug use, and some medications such as antidepressants. In most cases, teeth grinding does not need treatment as it usually disappears over time. In addition, teeth grinding is usually very mild and does not cause problems that require medical treatment. However, in severe cases where there is no improvement over time, it is essential to start bruxism therapy to avoid damage to teeth and jaw, and also to provide bruxism pain relief. In this case, there are 4 ways to treat bruxism. 1. Occlusal splints. 2. Medication. 3. Stress and anxiety management. And 4. Physical therapy. Occlusal splints are similar to sports mouth guards. These mouth guards are inserted between the upper and lower teeth and prevent direct contact between the teeth. This prevents the teeth from being worn or fractured, and at the same time helps to reduce the tension in the jaw muscles. The professional bruxism mouth guards are custom-made. These are manufactured in a hard and resistant material. However, there are also standard bruxism mouth guards. Standard bruxism mouth guards are made of soft materials and may not fit well in the patient's mouth, so they do not offer the same benefits as mouth guards made by the dentist. Standard Bruxism dental guards can be found in pharmacies or even on Amazon. These are quite inexpensive, and although they do not provide a permanent solution, they can be helpful while you go to the dentist and get your personalized teeth splint. Bruxism medication is useful. If bruxism is due to emotional causes, anxiety medication will have a direct and positive effect on bruxism by making it disappear almost immediately. Your dentist may also prescribe muscle relaxants for a few days until the bruxism episode ends. For cases of severe bruxism that occurs constantly in the day-to-day of the patient, you can opt for treatment with botulinum toxin. Botox injections for bruxism are highly effective in inhibiting involuntary contraction of masticatory muscles, and unlike other treatments, this has lasting effects. The effects of Botox injections for bruxism can last between 4 and 6 months, depending on the characteristics of each patient, and provide considerable bruxism pain relief. For stress management, holistic relaxation techniques such as yoga, meditation, or mindfulness are highly effective in reducing the frequency and intensity of teeth grinding. Psychological therapy by the hand of a mental health professional plays a significant role in the management of work and social stress. Going to therapy will not only be the best way to stop grinding teeth in the long term, but will allow you to achieve a better quality of life in general. Facial massages to relieve bruxism pain are becoming increasingly popular, since in addition to being highly effective, they are very pleasant for the patient. Myofascial therapy produces immediate relaxation of the muscles stressed by bruxism, and also provides lasting cosmetic benefits by stimulating the oxygenation of the tissues, increasing circulation, and making the skin look healthier. Lastly, we must talk about bruxism during pregnancy. It is quite common, especially in the last trimester of pregnancy. This is due to emotional causes. It is normal for the future mother to be under a lot of stress and emotional anxiety, and this usually manifests itself through constant clenching of teeth and jaw. Fortunately, bruxism begins to decrease naturally after the baby is born. If bruxism is causing you inconvenience during your pregnancy, getting a mouth guard for clenching will help you ease your symptoms until your baby is born. If you need a quick relief from teeth grinding, massage the jaw muscles using your fingers. Do so for about 10 seconds, and then gently open and close your mouth. In most cases, teeth grinding disappears on its own, without any treatment. In case your teeth grinding does not diminish or disappear over time, a dentist can provide the right treatment so that you can recover your health. This is it for today's video. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for future videos. Till the next time.